When I was doing some balancing patches for Street Fighter 6, one person actually said that it was too harsh for Ken because he's too good. So I was trying to balance up the character so he can't do some bullshit, like brain dead bullshit. So I'm going to do the same thing here to Kai right here, right? KC, whatever you want to call him, right? So here's how oh, you're going to love this shit. How as a judge, because most of the time they book somebody and they give somebody a sentence based on a whim, not really doing justice for the crime itself there. Oh, I'm different. I am different. Here's how I would sentence Kai Cenet for the crimes he committed. First of all, he has to pay all the damages those thugs, those heathens, whatever you want to call them, they did in Union Square. All the damage they caused to the cars, to the ground, the pavement, everything, he has to pay for. And double the amount. Yeah, that's right there. So X2 out of his own pocket just to make up for the apology. That's apology money right there. You make up for it, and then you apologize to the city again by doing that as well. So double that money. So if it's like, I don't know, $50,000 worth of damages, you got to pay $100,000 worth of damages. Because he has to learn his lesson not to do that shit again. Secondly, 30 days in prison so he can think about his actions for the next time. Don't take him away forever. Just 30 days. You see, he has a lot of the ice and chain shit there. The guy has money. Shouldn't be a big deal. 30 days. So pay back all the fucking shit. And like dude, I said, so $100, let's just say $100,000. 30 days in jail. And one last thing. If he ever, or anybody connected with him, ever does anything like this shit again without a permit, it's automatically 1 year in jail and $500,000 of a fine. No matter what. On top of the damages that you cause for the next time. So, this motherfucker needs to learn his lesson. He can't get away scot-free. The reason why, if you think it's too harsh, you need to look at a video he did before this, when he said on camera he knew this shit was going to happen. But he did it anyway. In his usual brain-dead language. He just said, fuck it. So, basically, he has no, conscience. We're going to make him get a conscience. You pay for everything, and you pay on top there, and you sit in jail and think about what you fucking did. That's a first-time offense. Second time, if you don't learn a lesson, it's going to be a year. And if for God reason you did it a third time, you don't want to know. That's it for now. Clack off.